Hi everyone and welcome to Venice!
What to say about this amazing city? Well, 118 smaller islands separated by canals and linked by over 400 bridges. The first real financial power emerging in the 9th century. You can call it La Serenissima, the Queen of Adriatic, the city of masks, the city of bridges, the city of water. We are speaking probably about the most beautiful city all around the world.
Venezia, hai morito anche tu, io che sono veneziano, ti abbraccio e piango con te.
So, if you have a couple of days to visit it and you don't want to get lost, which are the most relevant attractions to see, things to do and places to eat Italian food? The first treasure you will meet is Ponte di Rialto, the most iconic bridge here, which will bring you in San Mark district, the center of Venice. From here you can admire Grand Canal, the main route in Venice. Here consider to ride Evaporetto, a water bus, which is a great way and the less expensive one to visit the canal and its palaces. From Ponte di Rialto, move towards St. Mark's Square, where you can admire 4 of the Venice major attractions: St. Mark's Basilica, a Byzantine marvel, Campanile, Torre dell'Orologio, and the Doge's Palace, a Gothic palace, seat of the government under the Venetian Republic. After seeing the wonders of St. Mark's Square, you could add these nearby attractions to your trip. The name Bridge of the Sighs derives from the fact it was the last thing convicts saw before their incarceration.
I suggest you take a morning or an afternoon to visit the highlands of Burano, Murano and Torcello.
Murano is famous for its historical manufacturing industry.
If you arrive by train or by bus from the airport, I suggest you follow this daily route. Start your trip sweetly, passing by the Rio Marina Bakery, to move then to Ponte di Rialto. From there, reach St. Mark's Square. Once visited its attractions, you would go to Bridge of Sighs, Scala Contarini del Bovolo, Gallerie dell'Accademia, Basilica di Santa Maria della Salute, to end walking around the Jewish Ghetto. Each attraction is no more than 20 minutes walk from each other. If you want to visit the highlands of Burano, Murano and Torcello, it takes 5 hours and costs 20 euros with the Serve agency.
For
lunch, I suggest a quick but tasty meal at Enoteca al Bordo. In the afternoon, you can refresh yourself with an ice cream in Suso Gelanoteca. For dinner, I suggest Trattoria da Marisa.
If you're planning to visit Europe, why should you visit Venice? Well, there are several reasons, of course.
It will be something like going back to the past, which means you will find exactly the same views seen by Casanova or Napoleon. Venice is a city on the water, something unique. Tasting Italian food is another good reason.
But the main reason is its beauty. Beauty will save the world, probably. But for sure, this beauty will make you happy. And do not forget to subscribe to my travel channel.